Hey everyone. Today I'm diving into a topic that affects every single one of us here in the USA, our civil rights. Understanding your civil rights is crucial whether you're at work, out in public, or just going about your daily life. First off, what do we mean by civil rights? Civil rights are the basic rights and freedoms guaranteed to every American by the Constitution and the laws of the country. These rights include freedom of speech, the right to privacy, the right to be free from discrimination, and more. One of the cornerstones of our civil rights is the First Amendment. This amendment protects your freedom of speech, religion, and the press. It also gives you the right to peacefully assemble and petition the government, so next time you see a peaceful protest or read an investigative article, remember, that's the First Amendment in action. Now let's talk about the right to privacy. This isn't explicitly mentioned in the Constitution, but courts have interpreted it as a fundamental right. It means that you have the right to keep your personal life private and free from government intrusion, whether that's in your home, your communications, or your personal decisions. Another essential civil right is the right to be free from discrimination. This means you cannot be treated unfairly based on race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. The Civil Rights Act of 1964 was a major milestone in this area, banning discrimination in public places, employment, and education. Voting rights are another critical aspect of civil rights. The 15th and 19th Amendments, along with the Voting Rights Act of 1965, ensure that all citizens have the right to vote, regardless of race or gender. It's important to exercise this right because your vote is your voice in the democratic process. Employment rights are also part of civil rights. The Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, EEOC, enforces laws that make it illegal to discriminate against job applicants or employees. This includes protection against discrimination based on disability, age, and more. Lastly, let's touch on the right to due process. The 5th and 14th Amendments guarantee that you cannot be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. This means fair treatment through the normal judicial system, especially in legal matters. Understanding your civil rights helps you recognize when they're being violated and empowers you to take action. Knowledge is power, and knowing your rights is the first step to protecting them. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay empowered, and take care. See you next time.